Hey friends, if you encounter the error someone else is still using this PC and you're wondering what it means, then please watch this video. Now, here's the thing, your system may be hacked, but that is a rare case. If you check the Microsoft Answers forum, the higher probability is that you were using one account, you switched to another account, and you did that without restarting your computer, and what is causing the problem. But to be on the safer side, search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, select Scan Options, Full Scan, and then scroll down and select Full Scan. If this doesn't help, let the scan complete itself so that you can be sure of any cyber criminal accessing your computer. Then right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.